Hello. Welcome to another exam time for basic Chinese. And the content for today's exam will be vocabularies from random lessons. So please make sure that you guys have watched all of our videos. The first question: which one is the answer of 口罩? Which one do you think is the right one? A is 橡皮, B is 口罩, C is 耳机, D is 台阶, and B is the right answer for this question. The next question: which one is the answer of 晚安? Which one do you think is the correct one? A is 早安, B is 午安, C is 晚安, D is 西安, and C is the correct answer for this question. The next one: which one is not the answer of 他? So please pay attention to the not here. So which one do you think is the right answer? A is 我, B is 他, C is also 他, D is 他. And the right answer for this question is A. Another question here: which one is the answer of 自行车? Which one do you think is the correct answer? A is 我走了, B is 多保重, C is 摩托车, D is 自行车. And the correct answer for this question is D. So let's move on to the next question. Which one is the answer of 海南鸡饭? Do you guys still remember or not? A is 好久不见, B is 海南鸡饭, C is 冰雪情缘, D is 公共汽车, and 海南鸡饭 is B. The next one: which one is the answer of 推? You can try to recall first. A is 推, B is 腿, C is 吐, D is 对, and 推 is A. Another question here: which one is the answer of 生? You can try to guess first. A is 正, B is yin, C is now, D is shen, and shen is D. Finally, the last question for today. Which one is the answer of si? I will give you time to think. A is 四, B is 笑, C is 角, D is 思, and C is D. And thanks a lot guys for watching my video. Don't forget to go through the questions one more time. I will see you guys in our next lesson then.